Okay, so it's lovely Labor Day. I didn't get home until after midnight last night. And I got 3 wagon loads of little bales, idiot blocks, that are sitting out. And I have some really awesome, nice looking big square bales of hay that need to be tarped. And I have no help to put it on and get them under cover. Dad's over there, but I have no help that's able to pick a 160-pound tarp up and help me get it to the top of the load. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I got to come up with a tractor because I have 2 tractors that are down in a field, and the big balers are, I don't have any tractors. I got 2-cylinder tractors. I might have to use a 2-cylinder tractor. But other than that, that's what I'm going to have to do. So this is what you're going to see. There's a storm out at Harrisburg, and it's a fast mover. It has got yellow and red and green and ugliness coming. So that's what I'm up to, and I'm not even awake. Yeah, I know, it's 6. I hate this camera. I just did a whole segment on how the bale ejector works. But nobody's going to ever see it because I didn't hit the record button correctly because this damn camera is such a pain in my ass. Oh, there we go. I will flip up the tailgate now. You have to run your baler in order to get it out, but there's spikes right there. See those little spikes right there? That's how that thing forces it out from the bottom. I don't know that there's a better way of doing it or not, but okay. Yeah. Let me go on. That doesn't sound too good. This is baler 1. What the hell? Alright, so baler 1 has to get put away. And then baler 2 will come up and we'll do the same treatment. I'll get the bale out of the back of it, fold the gate up, and get that one backed in. And then I got these 3 wagon loads of idiot blocks that are down here. And I have to get those side by side to one another and somehow get a tarp over the top of them so that they do not get wet. I have a problem though. My problem is flat tires. I see I got a somewhat flat tire there, and I think I got a flat tire on that one. That's a problem with these stinking wagons. Okay, so I've got both balers under this roof here. Yeah, we're okay. It was a bit of a bitch getting this one in. I hit a wet spot last night and wrapped that accelerator up. Kind of aggravated me, but not really a big deal. Anyway, both of the big balers are in, and now we're on to the little bales. And my 50-20, you see my 50-20 up there? That's a story for another day. If you notice the hood is off of it, that's a story for another day. I'm so upset. Still upset. I've had that thing since 1992 or 93. I don't remember now, I'm getting old. Well, I've had it for well over 20 years anyway. 20 years? Yeah, 92, 02, 12, damn near. Holy shit. Yeah. 20 some odd years, 27 years, something like that. That's what I bought it. It was my first tractor. And I took really good care of it. But I'll talk about that later. is recording still. Yes, we're back in business. Alright, so if you've never backed up a hay wagon with an old 2-cylinder, then you have no room to bitch about what that looked like. That looked kind of painful to watch, I know, because it's just really tough with antique tractors that have minimal power steering, especially when pushing a hay wagon that's like twice the size it was intended to pull or push anyway. So I thought I did pretty good. There's enough room to walk back here, just enough room to walk back here. I've got my, my grain cleaners here. You probably can't see, but anyway, I thought I did pretty good. I just didn't want these bales to get wet. I could put another wagon in here, honestly, but I had that unloaded yesterday. I want to show you what's coming at us right now. And it is not the hurricane. I know some people are concerned about the hurricane, but this is just some thunderstorms and shit. So right here, below Newark, New Jersey, that's me. And this should be in motion, no? It's actually quite a fast, come on, there it goes. Quite a fast mover, I thought. But it looks to me as though it's building in its intensity on the leading edge that is about to hit us, I would say in the next few minutes. We got 8, 9, 10, and then it's saying 11 o'clock. Well, it's only 7:44, so at 8 o'clock 30, then at 9 o'clock it goes to 80%. Unless that front does something weird, like really weird, and just stalls over there, we're going to get wet. So what I have to do now is I have to get my second cut that I had mailed the other day before yesterday. It's getting stacked right now. My father's out grabbing the remainder of those bales that are out in the field, and yeah, he's bringing them back and putting them in a pile. I have to get a tarp on the back of my F250 here, the F250. This used to be my daily driver, but I don't drive it every day anymore. Now I'm just it's pretty much the farm truck where anybody can jump in it and go. So there's nothing wrong with it. Matter of fact, it's a daily driver if I want it to be. God, excuse me, buddy. Oh, Jesus. You don't know how rough this is until you've driven on it. But anyways, okay, so there's a little bit more of that good hay over in the field. So Dad's got one wagon, and I'm just going to run over there. It's about 3 miles away, 4 miles away. And I'm going to grab it with the auto-aligned bale stacker back there. Hopefully I can get some photo of it. Looking shit. Yep. A little dirt there. Hey, goodbye. Pack that in nice and tight. I see it's raining up in Holland Township. That's Pennsylvania to the... See where the river comes down, or the valley comes down to the right? That's Milford. Milford is to the right, New Jersey, and then that is Pennsylvania on the other hillside. So that's, if you ever look at the state of New Jersey and it looks like a kind of a messed up little man, like a fetus, well, that's the nose right there. Right there. We live under the nose. Anyway, beautiful country here. This is New Jersey, believe it or not.